What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kickstagram channel, y'all. So, I'm back, y'all. I already said it. I finally back to doing some reviews. I just uploaded the Air Jordan 4 Military Blue video. Again, long time coming. I know, I'm sorry, y'all. Life's a little bit busy right now, but I finally got it to y'all. So take a look. It was just my personal view on the sneaker and the information behind the sneaker and all that. So take a look at it. Make sure you hit that like button. If you know, make sure you leave a comment, engage in some dialogue, because I love it, y'all. And also appreciate y'all for sticking through and watching the video still. Appreciate y'all for the support. I like the fact that, you know, I still haven't put out, I think it was like a good month and a half, almost 2 months since I put out a video, and y'all still rocking with your boy. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you. So let's cut this one, you know, this intro not as long as the other one, because of course, like I had to give all the reasons why I've been away and whatnot. So let's get right to the sneaker review. We're gonna review a recently released, say about a week or so, and it's summertime, y'all. So y'all know that Jordan brand like to put out the nice low cut, you know, low style of the silhouettes and everything, just for summertime shoes. So that's what this sneaker is all about. This sneaker review is for the, hold on, boom, it's right here. Now this box typically is, you know, used for this sneaker, but they switch it up every now and then too, so it's not always coming in this style box. So I'll read it to y'all. It is the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Black Varsity Royal White, size is 10, and in the box, ladies and gents, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. And hey, dope. So take a close look real quick. All right, y'all. So first impressions. It's a dope sneaker. I've got the, you know, the Space Jams that dropped, you know, a few years ago. The only thing is that this is a little difference to me. On the back, on this pair, it has a 23. If I'm looking correctly at the Space Jams that I got back here, those are 45. Why do they do that? Why they sit there and do that? They should definitely kept it like the Space Jam pair right there. Gave it the 45. So, all right. Well, other than that, it's an Air Jordan 11 Low. So y'all know this one right here is definitely a good sneaker, summer sneaker. Nice, refreshingly, the, you know, ankles or the cankles to some, you know, free out to the air so they can breathe with some low low riding socks. And quality is primo so far. You got your, yep, current fibers good. Yeah, dope sneaker, of course, you know. And some people don't like 11 lows. A lot of people don't like the low cut sneakers, but I'm a fan of them. I got a bunch of 11 lows. Wait till I get to the Jordan 11 collection review, because I just, you know, I'm thinking that I'm gonna finish the 6s, and then after the 6s, I'm jumping to the 10s, which are back there, and of course after the 10s comes the 11s. Now that video is gonna take me a long time. I just might do a Jordan OG high, 11 high collection video, and then do the lows all in one video. So that way it splits them up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that better. So do it that way. But all right, we're not here to talk about the collection video. We're here to talk about this one. Let's get this on the turntable. Let's get the up close and personal look at them. Split screen it up. Description on one side, turntable on the next, and we'll take it from there, y'all. So there's nothing more to it than to do it. So let's get these down here and give y'all a close look, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low Space Jams. And first of all, quick look at the box. It's just your generic Air Jordan box, nothing special about it. So let's get this out of the way real quick and look at the actual sneaker, y'all. So check it out. And again, like I said, quality on these were dope. Primo, no glue stains, no frays, no nada. Dope. You got your, you know, normal tongue and laces for the Air Jordan 11. Of course, you got nice patent leather in the front. You got your nice carbon fiber. Right there. Make sure it's right. You know what I'm saying? Nice clear sole right there. Sides are good to go. Beautiful sneaker, y'all. Hey, I'm happy with it. I know people are gonna clown on them. They're Jordan 11 lows. They're crap. Whatever. These are dope. These are hot. I love these. So, all right, y'all. Well, there's nothing really to this sneaker because it's you know, it's an 11, right? 11s are all patent leather, nice midsole, nice clear sole, and then of course you get your tongue. Again, y'all, I don't know how y'all feel about this, man. I think that he should have made the back tab 45, just like they did with the last Air Jordan 11 Space Jam. Y'all can see right here, it was a 45. And you know what? Look at that. Let's just, you know, do a little comparison on the Space Jam. So, looks like that's a more of a blue than the purple on the, excuse me, on the Space Jam right there. I just noticed that. Yeah, it's a little bluish. Y'all, what y'all think about that? Not true to the Space Jam, you know? Yeah, even the sole. Look, the sole's even a little, you know, bluish. It's not true purple like it was on the Space Jam. So what y'all think about that, y'all? What y'all think about the fact that they did us a little different? They didn't keep it straight up to the Jordan 11 Space Jam requirements. The purple. Man. Anyway, I'm not liking that. That's the probably the only, you know, thing that I didn't like about this whole sneaker release right here was the fact that they gave us a 23 instead of a 45. Should have kept it just like the high. So, all right, y'all. Well, let me know in the comment section what y'all think about it. Let me know what y'all think about the sneaker. If y'all feeling it, y'all gonna cop it. Y'all gonna cop doubles. What y'all feel about this release, y'all? Did y'all miss on it? You know, y'all still looking for a pair? I know I saw a couple of restocks on these, so it should be readily available, y'all. So, all right, y'all. Well, there's nothing but let's get back in front of this camera, give our final comments and thoughts about the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams, y'all. Again, the only thing that I was a little irritated about it was that they didn't keep it the 23 with the 45 from the last Space Jam release, y'all. So, again, though, dope quality sneaker, dope sneaker overall, perfect summer sneaker, y'all. So, and I saw that they still weren't sold out in some sites, so you can still grab your pair if you're looking for them, because again, they're not all that popular. So, all right, y'all. Well, thanks for sticking by on the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the share button, and continue to rock with your boy. I appreciate y'all still tuning in after my misleading or misgiving, you know, not giving enough content for y'all. So still appreciate it. Keep it locked in, y'all. All right, well, there's nothing left other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jams. Rock them, y'all. These are dope. So until next time, keep it locked in and holla at your boy.